Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking for a one-stop shop for makeup, check out this awesome kit from PHOERA. So you're gonna find a face primer, 2 different foundations, a loose setting powder, a full coverage concealer, 2 different brushes, and 2 different sponges. Now the first step is primer, and this primer blew me away because it is so silky smooth. It makes your skin feel amazing and it goes on really nicely. The foundation is absolutely full coverage. Check out how it just removes all of the redness I have going on. I personally like to apply it with a sponge, but you can also use the brush if you'd like. The setting powder also comes with its own little sponge. Again, super smooth, flawless coverage, and it locks all of those liquids in place. The brushes are a really nice shape. I like to use them for my bronzer, my blush, all of that sort of thing. Now, as far as lasting power, this video shows my makeup after 8 hours, and my makeup still looks really good. So I am really pleased with the wear of this foundation. They come in all sorts of shades, so you can find the one that matches your skin tone the best. I am currently at my palest of the year. It's winter time, but I found that the number 104 Buff Beige was my proper color right now. The other color in my kit is the 102 Nude. I'm wearing 102 Neutral for my concealer, and the No Filter setting powder is in Cool Beige number 2. So I definitely feel like this is a great brand with high quality makeup that you should absolutely try out, and that's my point of view.